Ki MLA ka Congress baro sangot hene kisngi kila Hiar sha Jingkieng yam ban letpet ya ka Jingkieng ka badon menta ha ka jing maramat ban laphi dalade ya ki jing baki pat ba kiman. Ha bakran bat kilat pathai Khubor unong yalam kaliang persha ba Roni vi lengdo ulaong ba ka jing Hiar jongki rengkat ki officer katnat kalong hadien ba kaladon ka jing jing nam na ki pat ba habayadai bat kalet kawan.
So within this period, we can find alternative route. I am there in the now. Any over the bridge.
The purpose of the visit is we have come as a Congress Legislature Party after hearing the hardship being faced by the people because of the renovation work being undertaken by the MECL, that this movement of traffic has been restricted, so it's been going on as per their statement for 2 months, and it will take another 4 months, so it will be total 6 months. So we have come here to along with the PWD officers and MECL officers, engineers, to find a solution, short term and long term, to ease this hardship being faced by the people right now. So here the PWD are here, the MECL engineers are here, so we're grateful to them because they're also concerned about the hardship being faced by the people. And we have our colleagues here, Mr. Saleng Sangma, Ba Charles Marngar, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Ba Gabriel, all honorable MLAs of this Congress Legislature Party. After hearing the concerns of the people, we have come here and then to discuss with the engineers of both MECL and PWD to find a solution to ease the hardship being faced by the people. So we're talking about a short term and long term, because as per the statement of the MECL engineers is, there is the Dam Safety Act where, you cannot convert it into a national highway. So I hope, with convergence between the PWD and MECL, they'll find a solution, so that we can ensure that if we do not utilize this dam as a highway, then the longevity can be increased. The lifespan of the dam can be increased. So ensure, power supply at the same time, and then safety, the people be living below downstream of this dam.
Satisfied with the progress of the work?
Yeah, as per the statement of the officers, we are very satisfied. In fact, we are a bit, disappointed that as per their statement, officers, they had written to the government about 10-12 years back to ensure that, renovation work is taken up. Okay, now it's being taken up. It's always said better late than never. Otherwise, the lives of the people using this dam, as a highway, and then the lives of people, villages living below downstream, may endanger their lives, property, life and limb. Yeah.
So will you take
take up these issues in the upcoming budget session, sir?
Yeah, we will take up. Only request the government and the concerned departments to expedite the the work that is to be taken up.
Sir, Jingmaramot ini keciking dam.
Kejingwan jurip ngai Khublai ki perlok chonga na do honorable MLA na po Gambigri ba Saling Sangma ba Charles honorable MLA na po Mohati Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA na po Umsning ba Gabriel honorable MLA na po Nongstein hadin bangi asngo kejing baki ki paiba ki kendo na do ba ka MCL ka le ikene ka Jingmaramot ikene ka dam kalau bu jingye ik paiba ki balai bawan berpenukam kini ke surok bateng teng dak ki kenta ki sakut po surok tedai nang tangi la kerpat ye ki engineer na po MCL ki engineer na po PWD kumno bania wengi kini ke jingye baki kendo ki paiba tengi sngo tenat bana kaliang ka PWD ru pleng ki klem song that kila nang wat kilat kelenti kumno ban yo na dak kelenti bat ki MCL ru ki la ya treshitam he tementak Shillong ka jingker pat jongi bakin penkloi ya kene kakam ka ba nweng kene ka jing ka ba shipor bat banweng lenter sendontat kemola dadon kam ban repair ya kadam ngimdon kam shu ban ban khang ya ki surok pakini ki paiba namar ki don ki brio ki bhab ya be por bhab le jinglait be flight be train be interview ka bu chinge wat kini ki officer ki yong nilai kendo jinge nomor teng-teng bang hablai jinglai ni sakut ki kenta pa surok te kata ka jing thumu bang iwan mangi hangne tengi snow ke jinge apa ba mdai bang imdon ke jing snow ni snow ka de kata ka daw bang iwan hangne bat ngi snow kemen ba ki trai cakar ki don lang ne tengah kerpat e kiru lada ka don kam caka bakin ais snow ba bangin ya bit ya piang katkum ke jing itu ki engineer ki biang mo tengi kermen hi bakane ke jing pelut pisah ke sarkar kan penjalan ya kane ka ngam ke jing mo jong kane ka dam ka lifespan jong kane ka dam ki ong ko arpsan snem ko mo jaka bangin pelut ki 1000 crore tang ini 100 crore ngilala ban yo ke jing matoi
ke jing penbang ni kane pen marmat kane ke jingking kam dunai ka sabu aku te hatu fisko kunola kane ka jika mang tengkar dari pelabuhan palat ni kapiang.
Katkum ka jing ong ki engineer na po MCL saupu prakror kamde tangya kani kadai nam taka stage 1 stage 2 stage 3 ma
kadai ki surok kadai ki IV kadai ki infrastructure
ha kumbala batai basimle additional C ma te kadai ya kitaru tengah snow kabiang hi namar
intake kids
ma ka namar lada kane ka khlem kemudian ki 1000 crore don kamban pisna te ban menta ban le kini ki hydro power project ru ka chimchinge namar banyo jaka ka stom ha tengah trai hap penjalan ke jing im jong ne gadam ba kini ok jung montoi ke boarding electric ha ke jok Khubor kali kawan kan sup
kumba kalong mentahi kini ke Jingkieng kan simpor sekumbasan na nin ri penai ban pendek ka namar ha ka ban mensrai ki san penai on penda ri mentai ke ladang penjalan susu Khubor te tharai hari ini kita rumah kita baik kita ikut susu kucing. Jika ini pakai solusi lain kita kilat nanti buat PE nak kalian kerja PE.
Katakan kejengwan cungi ke dia kata bahawa po ini endru pernah ada ke PWD kalau ban pentrainer syasat kamkloi banweng itu kejengnya kita baik ngatrai kemudian ngio jemutoi arbenta kadamru kalau nang ngio ban penbah ban penjalan ya ke lifespan ne kejengim jong ne kadam hak cukup por pat kali kawan jong pai baru ni sukumen bidon iba rilang hang ne perlok jongai ide ESC jong PWD idon i ba simyong piwana MCL ba im tu ba periat i kongwan tai ba simle kilai don lang ne tikini ru kaju kajing sngau kumangi bani weng ta kajing e ba ki kedo ki pai ba
hello jing wan chuka chupi kan ni ko tempat mar ni ba ka don kajing kran wan surok nang ni ba ka te rangnya kita jing marmot sai kalak benong ketasar nang
ha ngia kerpat ya ke PWD bahkan simkloi kene ban ngi kerpat ki trai jakaru ba kin long ki basbun manai ka jaka tol ada dai ban siu ngatrai ke PWD ke sarkar kan sesiu kata ke jing temu jongi bangi lapet ka jing baki kendo ki pai ba tingi ne weng kum ki nong mi khmat kum ki nong thawan tadi kamram jongi badon keno ka kejing dawa kejing jung pai ba di kamram jongi ban pet ban weng ya kata kejing
ni kan di kamat pakongsan nak kalian ka parti kongres ada ni ka Yung dorba.
Khawai ni kimat. Kita ni bakam kongsan je parti kongres ban penek persa extension khadar ya ka syakri belai lai load ya kiriti ki dostor jong ini la pisi milong secondary ndai menta balong hari India kaseng kongres mentangi khuslai baya ka hok jongi mak democratic right ke religious freedom kumta terteriok ngidu kani le kam dadai than kita ki isu ki ba kata-kata kini kilong ki isu ki bangila banweng menta ka ba septieng ka jinglong jingman ka sensar khadar por India kalong bayo ngidu ya ka sensar khadar pai ba ka ba kham kong san dei kata
Iwan mentangi ya nang tei kadang ke surok ka ba ladon lupa nang ni tinggi poyang ni hatam nang tei ban cross shani Shillong gani ke factory si kilometer ti kumta ki ngi perkhat ba ya kani kamat ngin persngo ban ngi keren ba ka sarkar ngini keren ba ka sarkar nak menta ban wengi gani ki jingye telada ka sarkar kamut ban le ikani ngiyo i ba kanam don jingye bala kumno ru lada ka ki pelut bon ka por ban snai nu surok ni artio le se ila ban pendep nu surok te ke Jingkieng katai ba ki repair menta renovation retrofitting ye ke Jingkieng kan simpor sa basau banai san banai te hangta ngila soft ye ka problem jong ki pai ba kata ka dei ka ba ngida kwa ya te ke Jingkieng umala keren mane nakaliang ki engineer jong ki la batai bakalong kum tu kadang ya syakmat ro jing tre ndai menyi menta long nakaliang jong in sa shimi ni kamban keren ye ka sarkar banweng jing e pai ba da ke bangi wan ya nang ni te nang ni kan mi factory kan mi sete sejrong sha nengdam sete hang tu bodon ke dingjri ke bah hang tu kan mi ke serok tingi perkhat ba kata kan dei ka best solution bangin sim nak leng jui knang men kham shai kan dian la suban rap kata kan
That current repair project is not only the bridge. Bridge is only we have not touched. The current repair is going on is regarding the dam body, in which drilling works, groutings. Then we'll be taking up also this construction joint, crack referring upstream the dam. You could see also.
Okay, sir, how long do you think it will take for the dam that work to be completed, sir?
Actually, we have targeted under 4 months. We only completed 2 months. So hopefully, because we have increased the strength of the machine level and all, we'll be able to complete in 4 months' time. That is only the top portion, where there will be but other portion like downstream inside gallery of the dam, that is not affecting the movement of vehicles, so that is a separate issue.
So when will the rest of the work start, sir?
Which one?
The down portion.
See, now we have not touched the down portion except the upstream crack referring, because we thought we'll try to minimize the time as much as possible in the dam top only, so that movement of vehicle can be freed. Ila target bangin pendap naduk mentah under 4 months. But ki work sebangi le hang tu kadai ka drilling, ladap drilling, ngin selek ki grouting, cement grout. Then ngin selek ki post grout hole, bantes lada kalak biang gitu ki drilling ki bangi lale. Mo. Di luar kata hang tu kan sadon sagway ka extra package, we cut ka package 3 ya ka bangin sapan bahai kan ka dam top. Mo. Actually kalau adon ka plan bangin le daga blacktop, but recently we have changed. We want to do in a better way, in which the proposal ka company kadang pha mo nang ta ka perfect wall fili ayat mene kita kala jot kala arpai kita ngin sapan bahano tak bangi dahalai thamai
Takat ba kadang yai kan kajing maramot kemot yo ba kadang simpor sembas.
Oh kajing maramot ka Jingkieng hi kaya ta ka way ka package kata kalong ban maramot shwa ya kanika ki biring pi the village ite ki biring ki rural biring ki banana do commission do 1965 college fund it ranges from 25 to 35 at the maximum te kito ngidang up na government lendo ka ipor ngi ban khang kat to kan ni por like kanta nang tangi sa sya ikalirit up to prakanta nang ta hadin kino benta baniat pat ki kali kemut kan simpor ko prakandai sngi
Hadin pelada ban maramot purai kan ke Jingkieng karai kan katam kumbakat nus nem hadin kat nus nem pasal hapan repair bangi kan
kat kum ka you ka lifespan juga kan increase kumba arsan snamei tenre ya ke Jingkieng hi kadai tak bering nam ta retrofitting kadang don ka estimate tabang isyam baka ba kile na IT kalong abit na hal sai kita kontak ki farm Rina farm mo te wat sutu baklau kadam referring kayak laga jong ka Jingkieng kayak laga jong kam dei bayak hai kijuk mo package
Jangan jurep mentahang ni kalau kita bagi orang makan don Khrui ke Shillong 10 kilometer raikan bakadang nyai kate kala benok keren kan
ngatrai ban tip khampa di ba rilang ban batai na ki den fludi ngi ngim dei be tu ka pentah
kalau ini suruk
iya kan ni ke surok na galiang ka office piludi ginang pak jurep yaki bandang ya thau ya wo te kanno kalenter kaya lembaga jaka jong no tingin ni pelum lang kini baru ki jing wat jing tip jungi tingin sa report to government.
So before the 4 months that it takes for the bearing to be replaced, so do you think it will be possible to have another alternative route?
Look, now we are only compiling our findings in the field here. So our people here are in the field. They are surveying the possible alignment. Then they're finding out also who are the landowners or the land belongs to whom. So after all these details have been compiled, we'll be submitting this proposal to the government. Then the government will give a call.
So are there currently any other alternative routes once they lift the bridge for the bearing?
At present, we have identified some exit routes from Shillong going to Guwahati. One is via Shillong Ding Pasau Road. One is via this Mausiat Khanam Road. Then there's another route from Maumaram coming out in UCC College. Then for people from the west, they can access that route from Mairang towards Rani Bari. These are the routes to exit Shillong.